Okay, today's video is about why DIY methods fail for getting rid of bed bugs. And the short answer for that is because they are not being executed properly. Most DIY methods, when people take it upon themselves to try to get rid of bed bugs, first and foremost, getting rid of bed bugs is a process. It's a process to it, and it's like really no way around it. If you're not calling pest control companies to come out and let them do their treatments, then and you try to just do it yourself without any type of knowledge or anything on these bugs or how to get rid of them, and you try to do it yourself, more than likely you're definitely going to fail. Like in some cases, when you call the pest control companies out, that is not always 100% action proof either. I've experienced some things dealing with bed bugs, and it led me to do research on my own. It led me to really study these bugs and learn what it takes to truly get rid of them. It is a process to getting rid of bed bugs. DIY methods, yes, you can get rid of bed bugs doing DIY methods. My methods are DIY methods. I'm not a pest control professional. I am not a licensed pest control person. I am just a person that had an encounter with bed bugs that was very devastating, that almost sent me to a mental institution. When I tell you these bugs are nothing to play with, they are. And through the traumatic experience that I had to deal with, I went on such a heavy and hard research about these bugs and taught myself how to get rid of them. Now I help other people get rid of them. I'm in the process of becoming certified, but not a certified pest control person where I will be going to people's homes and treating, but consulting. I'm in the process of getting a consulting certification to just help people a lot more than what I'm helping now, and how you can get rid of these bugs. It does take quite a bit. Okay, I'm not going to say it's easy getting rid of bed bugs because it's not, but it's doable. And it's not the hardest thing in the world. There are plenty of other things harder to do. The hardest part about bed bugs is just encountering the bites and the infestations. That's the hard part. But getting rid of them, once you set it in your mind that you need to get rid of these bugs, you're going to do what you have to do anyway. So that's why DIY methods are not like foolproof for most, because you just don't know how to get rid of them. But DIY methods does work. I will have links in the description of the products that I recommend. It will be Diatomaceous Earth. It will be masks that you could wear, because you will need to wear masks, especially if you're a beginner. And it will also be the tool that I use to put the powder down. So thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.